If you use an Android phone with a Mac, you've probably struggled with transferring files between the two. I was in the same boat until I found the perfect solution. There's a super easy way to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files from your Android phone to a Mac and from your Mac to your Android phone. To demonstrate, I'll transfer some videos from my S24 Ultra to my MacBook Air M4, which is running on macOS Tahoe. For this, you're gonna need to download an app called LocalSend. It's available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store. So just download the app on both devices. Now, both devices need to be on the same Wi-Fi network for it to work. But let's say you don't have an active Wi-Fi connection. In that case, just turn on the hotspot on your Android phone and connect your Mac to it via Wi-Fi. Now launch the app on both devices. On your phone, go to the Send section. Tap on Media or Files and choose your desired files. Now, simply select the alias of your MacBook, like mine here shows Cool Blackberry, and accept the files on your Mac. See, the files are now being transferred to my Mac, and look at the speed. It's just as fast as AirDrop. I've transferred more than 2 GB of data in less than 30 seconds. Similarly, you can also transfer files from your MacBook to your Android phone. But for this to work, both devices need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. The hotspot trick only works when you're transferring the data from your Android phone to your MacBook, not the other way around. And just like that, we solved one of the biggest problems of using a Mac with an Android phone. If you found this video informative, then hit the like button and subscribe to Gizmo Rush. I'll see you in the next one.